I, Anwar Ali, MD of a Sizzling Grills. A Sizzling Grills is located at Kondapur, Kottaguda. It's a kind of a concept fine dine restaurant which has a live grill concept which is embedded on your table, which you can grill your own kind of kebabs with your own kind of things and have it. That's the main concept in it, followed by a buffet which has the two kind of soups and exotic desserts and lot kind of the non-veg curries and veg curries and everything, and covers of around 100 covers restaurant. We do take the party orders also for a small gathering of a kitty parties or a birthday parties and all. We do have one more restaurant by the name of Sizzling Wok in the same premises of a 5th floor, and which is kind of a more oriental. Oriental is 60% of a Chinese and a 40% of Thai and the other oriental cuisine in it, which is a 5th floor in the same building, has a very good view, which already I think you might have seen in the video. And we do take the party orders for that also. It's kind of 100 plus covers on the 5th floor. Specialty of the restaurant is as I said, Sizzling Grills is a specialty of kebabs, unlimited kebabs. And the Sizzling Wok is about the oriental things. We do follow the the authentic recipes of each and everything, either it's on a kebabs or it's on a kind of oriental cuisine or whatever it is. But we do follow the authentic recipes. As my team, head chef Mr. Prasad is in a hotel management college, a Sakti group. Yeah. So he takes care of my kitchen things, and the service been taken care by Ranjit, my F&B manager. So we believe in the best. So we have the best of the best team, people are from the management background, a totally professional. It's not a, let's not talk about anything else, but I have a professional team with me. Kebabs and the food items, the food, whatever we make, it's not only the kebabs, we try to give you the best of best. I am into the industry since 87, is almost close to 20 plus year now. Even my entire team are very senior. Ranjit is 22 years, Prasad is almost 12 years. So we are into the industry since so many years, and we do have an expansion plan also, probably in the future, somewhere in 13, we are planning to come up with 2 more outlets. And Sizzling Grills is also offering the franchises also. So we are about to come with a franchisee model probably in 2013. So that is the expansion plan also is there in it. We do the festival things, especially on the Christmas time, we do the the turkey festival for the Christmas time. We do the New Year events where we make our special menu, because our menu every day it's change. Every day, every session. Lunch, what you have, you don't have it in the dinner. What you are having today in a lunch or a dinner, you will not have the same item tomorrow. So that is one more specialty about us. We do follow the session to session. Today lunch, same thing not in a dinner, next day again the new menu. And we do follow the special occasions like Valentine's Day is coming up. So we are planning for some exclusive Valentine cookies, where it says a kind of a love in it. Then 31st is there. As I said, the December, the Christmas time, we do the turkey festival also. So we do follow that. We do follow the the specialty cuisines on the special days or special occasions. Even for the parties, if the customer, the guest has a special demand of their choice, we do that also. If they want no, we want only this things, we do give them the best of the best. Thank you very much.